Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make steak and shake burgers, the only way. We'll cover everything from preparing your beef to achieving that signature crispy edge. Get ready to transform your kitchen into a classic diner and enjoy delicious, homemade steak burgers that taste just like the original. Let's get started on this flavorful journey together. First, let's prepare our beef. Take 1½ pounds of 80/20 ground beef and gently form it into 8 equal, loosely packed balls, each about 3 ounces. Next, create your signature seasoning by mixing 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon each of onion powder and garlic powder. Finally, preheat your cast iron griddle or heavy skillet to a medium-high temperature, ensuring it's very hot, almost smoking. Now for the exciting part, cooking. Place your beef balls onto the hot griddle, then immediately use a sturdy spatula to smash them down into very thin patties. Season generously with your prepared blend. Cook each side for 1 to 2 minutes until you see those signature crispy, lacy edges. While the burgers cook, brush your hamburger buns with garlic butter and toast them until golden. Add 2 slices of American cheese to each patty as they finish cooking. To assemble your masterpiece, place 2 of those delicious, cheesy patties onto each toasted, garlic-buttered bun. Finish your burger with classic steak and shake toppings, thinly sliced pickles, a few rings of fresh onion, a squeeze of ketchup, and a dash of mustard. For more great tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for the link and other deals. Enjoy your incredible homemade steak burger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.